Welcome to the Apple Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is October 24th, 2024, and we've got a lineup of intriguing stories from the world of Apple technology. From financial penalties to innovative product updates, there's a lot to cover. Remember, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. First up, Apple and Goldman Sachs have been hit with a hefty $89.8 million penalty by the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. The CFPB found that both companies failed to properly handle consumer disputes related to the Apple Card. Apple didn't forward disputes to Goldman Sachs, and when they did, Goldman didn't comply with federal investigation requirements. This misconduct affected hundreds of thousands of customers, leading to unexpected interest charges and misapplied refunds. As a result, Goldman Sachs is temporarily barred from launching new credit cards until they meet compliance standards. In other news, Apple is reportedly planning to halt production of its Vision Pro headset by the end of 2024 due to weak demand and high inventory levels. The company has already scaled back production, with suppliers producing between 500,000 to 600,000 units. Apple is focusing on developing a more affordable headset, aiming to produce 4 million units over its lifespan. The Vision Pro's high price and lack of compelling content have contributed to its lackluster sales. Moving on to audio technology, Apple has removed the audiogram feature from its AirPods line with the release of iOS 18.1, causing frustration among users with hearing loss. This feature allowed users to upload audiogram data for a customized listening experience. The removal coincides with the introduction of clinical-grade hearing aids for AirPods Pro 2, leaving other models without this valuable tool. Users are calling for transparency from Apple regarding this change. Apple TV Plus is facing criticism for its ineffective marketing strategies, which have resulted in low viewer engagement despite high-quality content. The platform has spent billions on acquiring shows, but captured only a small fraction of US TV viewing. Critics argue that Apple's marketing efforts prioritize brand identity over individual shows, potentially alienating viewers. In software news, Apple has released the first betas of iOS 18.2, iPadOS 18.2, and macOS Sequoia 15.2 for developers. These updates introduce new features like Image Playground, Genmoji, and ChatGPT integration. Image Playground allows users to generate images from prompts, while Genmoji creates custom emojis. Siri will now integrate with ChatGPT for certain queries, enhancing its response capabilities. On a historical note, let's revisit the launch of the iPod in 2001. This compact MP3 player marked a pivotal moment in portable music technology, setting the stage for Apple's future dominance in the digital music market. Despite initial criticisms, the iPod's innovative design and integration with Apple's ecosystem made it a game-changer. Lastly, Apple is preparing to launch new MacBook Air models featuring the M4 chip, expected to release in early 2025. These models will maintain a similar design to the current MacBook Air and include both 13-inch and 15-inch variants. This move underscores Apple's commitment to advancing its product lineup with cutting-edge chip technology. That's all for today's episode of the Apple Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful and informative. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories covered today. Join us again tomorrow for more updates from the world of Apple technology. Until then, stay curious and stay informed.